Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hotspot and Wi-Fi at the same time on your Samsung device. First, ensure your Samsung phone is running a recent version of Android, typically Android 10 or newer, to access this feature. This powerful capability allows your device to act as a Wi-Fi repeater, sharing an existing Wi-Fi connection with other devices. It's incredibly useful for extending network access in areas with weak signals, or for connecting multiple gadgets simultaneously. This innovative feature, often called Wi-Fi sharing or Wi-Fi bridge, transforms your Samsung phone into a portable network extender. Instead of consuming your mobile data, your phone connects to an existing Wi-Fi network and then rebroadcasts it as a new hotspot. This means you can share a single Wi-Fi connection with up to 10 other devices, making it perfect for situations where only one device has Wi-Fi access. Activating this feature is straightforward. Begin by opening your phone's settings application. From there, tap on Connections and then proceed to Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. You will find an option labeled Wi-Fi Sharing or Wi-Fi Bridge. Toggle this feature on. You can then customize your hotspot's name and set a secure password. Once activated, other devices can easily connect to your new Wi-Fi network. While incredibly useful, there are a few important considerations. Firstly, using Wi-Fi sharing can drain your phone's battery more quickly, so keep a charger handy. Secondly, the speed of the shared hotspot will be limited by the speed of the primary Wi-Fi network. Also, be aware that some public Wi-Fi networks might block this functionality. Always ensure your Samsung device has the latest software updates for the best experience and security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.